The Commonwealth Games may be over, but Ghana's medal haul cannot be overlooked. It's been a poor showing for a couple of times out there. In this particular video, we break down and track back to how Ghana has performed at the Commonwealth Games since 2002. 2 medals in the recent outing in Glasgow. Where does this leave us as a nation? This is MX24 Sports Update. For more sports, log on to mx24sports.com. Now, in 2002, Ghana participated in the Commonwealth Games and ended the entire Commonwealth Games winning 1 medal. Yes, just 1. It was a bronze. Then you just add 4 years and you get to 2006, where Ghana came home with a couple more medals. This time, they added 2 gold in there. So that so far has been the only time that Ghana has won gold at the Commonwealth Games. That is in 2006. Now, you come and add everything up and you would know that in total, Ghana's outing at the Commonwealth Games since 2002 to 2006 has ended them with 17 medals. The last edition, which just ended a couple of days ago in Glasgow, Ghana got 1 silver and 1 bronze. The entire country took 40 athletes to participate in different disciplines. However, Ghana's best was only 2 medals. Now, you take it back to the previous edition that happened in Birmingham, and Ghana came home with 5 medals in total. So you ask yourself, 2 and 5, which is better? We are being made to believe by certain authorities who handled part of the team inside Glasgow that this was very satisfactory. Other quarters who were also in Glasgow say this is quite abysmal. Where do you stand on this? And how can Ghana actually improve its medal haul in the next edition in India in 2030? Ladies and gentlemen, the money incentive looks not to be working, because despite the increase to $10,000, $3,000, and $5,000, $2,000, whatever the increase was for you, it still did not add up, as only 2 athletes got medals. Ghana, where do we go from here? How do we improve our game so that Commonwealth becomes a place where we get medals? Nigeria was Africa's best performing team at the just ended Glasgow Commonwealth Games. We need to give it to them. They're doing well. Nigeria actually beat Ghana to a medal that they thought they had gotten in the 4x100 men's event after, for a brief period, Canada were disqualified for lane violations. But after Canada got reinstated, Ghana lost the plot and came home with just 2 medals. What are your predictions for 2030? How do we get things in place to improve our showing in India in 2030? For more stories, log on to mx24sports.com.